Hello and you're welcome to our new topic. Today we are going to start a new topic which is trigonometry. And for trigonometry it involves a lot. Then these are the things that we are going to be looking at. The concept of SOHCAHTOA, that's sine, cosine and tangent. I'll be explaining that. Then Pythagoras theorem, we deal with that also. Then special angles, then solving ladder problems. These are all problems under trigonometry. Then at last we look at angles of elevation and depression, which is very important as you are preparing for your OSCE. So for today, we'll just look at the introduction to the trigonometry, which is the concept of sine, cosine and tangents, then Pythagoras theorem. If possible, we look at special angles. Then next time we continue from there. So let's look at the concept of the SOHCAHTOA or trigonometry. So the trigonometry is also part of geometry, but this one deals with angles, triangles for instance, and then it deals with three ratios which are sine, cosine and tangent. That is where the tri is coming from. So we have something we call sine, cosine and tangent. Sine, cosine and tangent. So these are the three that they brought together and then had the word tri. Tri means three. So the study of it is known as trigonometry. Are you following? So these are ratios. So that means they have meaning. Are you following? So when we say sine, in short, it is written as this. Sine is equal to something, a ratio. A ratio means something divided by something or something compared to something. The cosine is also equal to something else, another ratio. Tan is also equal to another ratio. Are you following? But what are these ratios? Are you following? Let's go to that. So imagine you have a right angle triangle. Let's see, this is our right angle triangle. This line here is what they call the opposite. Are you following? And here is the adjacent. Let's call it A. And here, this longer line is the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. So let's call that place H and this one O. Are you following? This is a right angle triangle. And we have another angle. Let's say any angle here. This place is 90 degrees. So the sine of either this angle or that angle, but for here we are talking about this angle, sine A is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, which is O over H. Are you following? And then the cosine of A, cos A, sine A cos A. Cos A will be equal to the adjacent over the hypotenuse, and tan A will be equal to the opposite over the adjacent, which is O over A. This is why we call it ratios. Are you following? These are the three basic trigonometric ratios: sine, cosine, and tangent. Are you following? So now, this is what you're going to do with, and they call it short, that's SOHCAHTOA, for remembrance or for fast recovery. SOHCAHTOA. So this here means sine is equal to sine of any angle is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine means cos of the angle is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan is equal to opposite over adjacent. That is what it means. Then let's go to this. When we have a right angle triangle like this one also, a right angle triangle, this is our right angle here. Then let's see the opposite here, let's call it A. Then call the adjacent B and call the hypotenuse C. According to Pythagoras, the square of this C, that's the magnitude of this length from here to here, that's C. The square of C is equal to the sum of the square of B and square of A. Are you following? So with this one, when one part is missing, we can use this